Assalamu alaikum. You're watching Stories by Sundus and today I'll be sharing with you all my previous weekend that I have spent with my family. It was really a nice weekend I have spent, and usually on weekends I prefer to clean my house. Well, weekly cleaning includes bathroom cleaning, laundry, vacuum, dusting, and all that usual cleaning that happens in every home. As most of you know that I have started working in a school, so I don't get chance to clean every day like I used to do it before, but now I prefer to wait for Friday, Saturday and Sunday. So preferably my priority is that I should clean my house on Friday night so I can get my Saturday and Sunday off. But sometimes I try to clean on Saturdays morning, and ironing I do on Sundays. So that is the best thing. I think that everyone should plan their work according to their feasibility and ease. I always start with my bedroom. First, I used to make my bed, and then on weekends, I clean my washrooms as well. So it's a huge workload on me, but I really enjoy cleaning my house. This is kind of meditation for me, and it gives me really a huge mental peace after I'm done with cleaning. If I'll talk about laundry, the only part in laundry I like is to throw my dirty clothes into a laundry machine. But the worst part is to fold all of them and to iron them and to set them in the closet. That is the worst part. Like I really don't like that part. I just need a help for that, and I wish that at some point of my life I might hire a helping lady with me who can help me on weekend cleaning, inshallah. I hope I will hire one, inshallah. So I have been left with so many apples at home, so I decided to make something from these leftover apples. The only thing that popped up in my mind was apple murabba, apple chutney you can say, or apple murabba. I have learnt this recipe from my mother-in-law's sister. She used to taught us all of these recipes made up from different fruits like plum murabba, or you can say the apple murabba, or you can say the peach murabba. So I tried apple murabba. Before that, I have already tried plum murabba. It was really good in taste, but personally I don't like to eat apples, neither I like to make something from apples, because I don't like the flavor of apple at all. That's the main reason. But I just want to utilize these apples, so decided to make the murabba. So you can see how I have made these apples. It's in a very simple form, I can say. So first I peeled off all of the apples, I washed them, and then I have added in them brown sugar, cinnamon stick, lemon zest, cardamoms, and that's it. So I have added all of these things into apples, and in a big pot I put them on the flame. It took around 1.5 hours when it gets done. When you see the apple murabba is done and tender, put this murabba into a clean glass jar, and it will stay longer in your refrigerator for 3 or 4 weeks, inshallah. You can have this murabba with parathas, or you can have it with rotis, with any kind of breads. It's very healthy and tasty, and is very commonly used in desi houses. So just give it a try. I hope you liked my weekend vlog, although I have not been able to record my evening activities, in which I have been to the park. We have had pizzas and cupcakes and samosas and all that, but I have not got chance to record all of these activities. So just that's it, inshallah. We'll meet into a next vlog. Till then, stay tuned. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Okay, Allah Hafiz.